Hello guys, it's your sexy bro here. Well, today we're gonna be talking about Fidget cubes. Fidget cubes. If you guys haven't seen this, all 6 size. Well, oh, even this, all 6 size. Hold up. I gotta put you guys over here. Okay. Well, like who does not like Fidget? Well, when okay, when I was having a paper at school or in the classroom, I fidget with it, like I pooned on it. Wait, hold up, like this. See, that's my thing. That's my thing. Well, I know why, because fidgeting, it's just, I was always thinking about it. I was always thinking about getting these. And I always want to fidget because, like, I love pruning, guys. I love pruning. Just saying, pruning is just my thing. And I always want to fidget with my hair because, like, I love my hair. Just can't stop. It's just that fidgeting can come uncontrollable, but, like, it's just, it means you really love doing it forever, 24/7. I mean, not a lot of times, but, like, when you get angry, fussed, or stressed, or mad, or confused, you're like, you want to do that. Fidget with this. This will help you. I mean, it helps me a lot when I, like, get stressed or feel really, like, something I really love doing. Like, when I get, like, I mostly get stressed, right? If I get stressed at work, I'll just, like, come home and be like, Mom, I'm stressed and I just want to try fidget so much, and that helps, and it might help, and I'll see if it works out. And well, yeah, guys, this is my story. And I always want to fidget it on the pencil, like when I have a pencil and I'm like, because, like, just sometimes I think fidgeting is life. Like, you know, it helps you control the, I can't say, I think that fidgeting, like, you know, I mean, fidgeting is a good thing. It has to be a good thing, but I think I might have bad fidgeting because, you know, dang. I mean, oh, never mind. Forget that, like, I mean, fidget could be a good thing because, you know, it helps you control your anger, mad, disgust, or, I mean, I don't know, see, guys, I'm getting that feeling right now, like, I feel like I got pooned, because you know what, I get that, like, when I'm outside on the basketball, I'm like, I get that a lot. It's my thing. I'm sorry, guys. Forget that. I just can't control it. Anyways, hold up. And I always want to put on that stuff. That's my thing. Fidgeting. My thing is, I think fidgeting is life. And I know there's new things of these. Like, there's diamonds, there's rectangles, there might be kind of shapes of these. But when I feel worried, I can just fidget. See, I love doing that. It's my thing. So anyways, so yeah, when I try to get bored, I'll just fidget. Try knowing somebody, cause, like, just Nothing will work out unless you fidget all year. If that helps. Man, I got poon. I swear I got poon. I mean this makes me poon, but like I love pooning on other things, but like this is mostly my thing to poon on, like fidget. Like, and when I do that, you know, when you're worried, yeah. The soft ones too, like no clicks, but these should click. Okay, guys, comment below. Comment below. Why does these 3 click? Why? That makes no sense. Can they all click? Is it that's how they made? Yeah, guys, comment below, please. I love to see those comments. I mean, yeah. I don't know why they have to do that. I mean, that's how clicks can be. And let me tell you. No, I'm not gonna say it. Yeah, guys. This is the best fidget cube in the world. I mean, there's best out there too, but if you guys haven't had these, please get your hand on these if you ever love fidgeting. If you love fidgeting. So yeah, that's gonna be my story. So yeah, guys, fidgeting. Never stop fidgeting. It helps you. Bye.